I'm Keisha, a certified diabetes care and education specialist and occupational therapist, and I'm here to help you live life to the fullest while managing diabetes. Diabetes is a growing concern, and the numbers don't lie. In 2022, diabetes was the 8th leading cause of death in the United States, and 38 million people are currently living with diabetes. But even more concerning is 98 million adults have prediabetes, and most of them are unaware. That's why I'm here, to help close the gap and provide the education people need to take control of their health. With over 21 years of experience in healthcare and 14 years as a certified diabetes care and education specialist, I've seen how empowering people with the right knowledge can transform their lives and their health. In 2019, I co-founded Welldom, an aging-in-place consultancy, and in 2023, I became the sole owner, combining diabetes education and occupational therapy to enhance the well-being of older adults. My interest in diabetes started back in 2007 when I worked as an occupational therapist at an outpatient clinic in Sumter, South Carolina. Many of my clients struggle with diabetes-related complications, particularly unhealed foot injuries or wounds that were unable to heal and eventually led to toe, foot, or lower limb amputations. I saw firsthand how unmanaged diabetes could lead to complications. These complications affected my clients' ability to walk and care for themselves. So fast forward to my years working in inpatient rehab, it became clear that the majority of my patients had type 2 diabetes, and many had never been educated about how to manage it. That was my aha moment, and I realized I could make a difference by teaching them how to prevent these complications. As an occupational therapist, I was accustomed to addressing function, using my skills and knowledge to impact my clients' daily habits and routines. I was also accustomed to spending time with my clients. They trusted me, which allowed me to initiate education during my treatment sessions just by starting a conversation. So determined to help, I became a certified diabetes care and education specialist in 2010, and I haven't looked back since. At Welldom, our mission is simple: to eliminate barriers for older adults and individuals with type 2 diabetes by bringing mobile occupational therapy and diabetes education to where our clients live, work, and gather. With the right tools and support, managing type 2 diabetes doesn't have to be overwhelming. I also want to make you aware that there are programs out there to help you manage your diabetes. One of the most effective resources available is Diabetes Self-Management Education and Support, also known as DSMES. These programs provide the knowledge, skills, and support you need to take control of your diabetes. You can find these programs in hospitals, outpatient centers, clinics, physician office, and some wellness centers. They are accredited by the Association of Diabetes Care and Education Specialists and the American Diabetes Association. DSMES programs are not only effective, they're cost effective too. So if you're a Medicare beneficiary and receive a referral, you're eligible for 10 hours of diabetes education in the first year of your diagnosis. And many private insurance companies offer similar benefits. So check with your providers and ask your doctor for a referral. Unfortunately, even though diabetes self-management education programs have proven to improve outcomes, participation remains low. Research shows us that less than 5% of Medicare beneficiaries and only 6.8% of privately insured people actually take advantage of these programs in the first year of diagnosis. So that's why I created this channel. I wanted to reach individuals with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes who may not have access to education, whether due to location, time constraints, or lack of awareness. This channel is for those who never were offered education, those living in communities without certified diabetes care and education specialists, and then the caregivers with limited time, maybe the frequent travelers, and anyone who needs flexible options for learning. I want to bring wellness to you and help you reduce your risk of complications, one step at a time. On this channel, you'll find practical tips to manage type 2 diabetes and prevent complications, stories from my years in healthcare to inspire and inform, and simple actionable advice to improve your day-to-day life. Whether you're a caregiver living with diabetes or just looking for inspiration, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. And together we'll navigate diabetes management 1 week at a time, one episode at a time, toward a healthier, happier life. So each Wednesday, I'll plan to drop an episode. So I encourage you to share with those who you know might benefit from education. So remember, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.